a fucking baller. I don't need no man to talk shit to me.
Still have fun now. Now we're moving into RUGER territory. RUGER has been teasing this particular run of singles for a long time now. Red Flags more so. ASIWAJU, I think he just threw that in last minute, but I think it's fantastic. I think it's fantastic as well. I think this one would be. I don't know how we're gonna do this because I really want to get to both of them, but there's gonna be, I guess, some comparisons. But Red Flags is the first one, exciting. We got a snippet, made a lot of noise, made a lot of buzz. Man even called other people's songs as noise, and said, "No, let me drop real banger for you." Obviously, RUGER has had a good year as well. Good. Honestly, no misses. Every release has been a strong hit. There's a hit after every release, and there's this very good chance this might be another moment. RUGER is scratching the itch of a Afro dancer artist in the pop scene, and he has been doing that in the last year and a half now. And I'm looking forward to this one, man. Red Flags, let's hear it. Obviously, Toxic RUGER is what we're getting. Let's hear it though.
Thought I told you I can't fulfill your wishes. I'm a fucking star on every girl's wish list.
Facts.
But you never for once listened.
Okay, I don't know that for a fact, but he sold it in such a way that I was like, yeah, that's facts. Like, I believe you, my G. Like, it just put in so much confidence. I was like, facts, bro. Like, talk your shit, my guy.
But you never for once listened. You're not the only one, got several bitches. You saw the red flags, baby, but you ignored the red flags. Yeah, baby, you can't do it. We gotta end this now. Let's stop lying. I'm in a true talk and if he said.
See, so far, man, RUGER is clearly going on this toxic route or this toxic tour. The record is so well in that vein of like, yeah, man, you you saw these red flags where you ignore them. Obviously, this is piggybacking off of a song like Girlfriend that was literally on that lane of like, let me have fun, you know, and and now he's bringing that same sentiment here. Obviously, this points into the direction that, okay, maybe his album is gonna be thematic in that sense of like really toxic energy like this, and this is just pointing all in that direction that, yeah, this is gonna be a very toxic RUGER run that we're hearing, and I'm here for it. There's some creativity to it. He's doing it in a way that seems believable. His delivery is very compelling, and it's exciting so far, man. It's a nice melody on the record too, man. It's a nice dancehall bop, bro, so far. Let's go.
Check the clock. I know you fell in love with my cock and Glock. I'm a billion reasons why we can't work, baby. She said, Ruby.
Oh my God. This man said, I'm a billion reasons why we can't work. Is that what he said? Oh my gosh. That's a hard line, though. That's a hard line. Listen, this man's pen is heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy.
You're not the sweet guy I once knew. Tell me what changed. Did I do anything wrong? Or you just don't love me anymore?
I want the beat to go crazy at this point.
See, I can't change, baby.
At this point, let's make a massive switch.
You saw the red flags,
okay,
baby.
We didn't get it.
Baby, you can't do it. See, I can't change, baby. You better rest or you end this now.
Okay. Wait, this is not Kukuruku, is it? Yeah, TSB is the producer. You saw the red flags, baby. Ignore the red flags. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, next song. This one is ASIWAJU by RUGER again. Let's hear what he's saying this time around, you know? Let's hear. And also, who is the producer now? Kukuruku is back. Alright, ASIWAJU, let's go. Ah, no, I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. I already heard it. The bass on that drum, the freaking guitar riff already. This is going to be a hit. This is going to be a much more stronger moment. There was some elements or things of I was missing some things. There were some things I was missing on the first record that we just went through. And shout out to TSB. It could have been a lot more dynamic on that record and a lot more projected, but this fucking intro is too cold, bro. We're 9 seconds in, I can tell this is going to be a strong one. This is going to be a strong one. Bro, Hear that bass. Ah no, the church chords. Let's go.
Man, getting high till I fade out. If the vibe no pure on my way out. See, I'm ahead of them, ASIWAJU. I'm a fucking baller. You got on me.
Hey,
No man
hey,
can
got
touch
on
it to
me.
me.
Let's go. This is level of confidence I get off of Ruger's songs, man. This is level of aggression, like don't fuck with me energy, and I'm always in there with Ruger, bro. His delivery is unmatched for that. I'm not exaggerating. Every single time I'm always like, charged up, like fuck yes, like I'm the shit. I am him. That's what I get from Ruger every time, bro. I am him, and Ruger is him. Okay, whatever that means. No, but honestly, like the energy is just off the charts with this kid, bro. Like, just getting into the level of assertiveness, the confidence on the record is crazy, bro. Confidence is where I'm getting from Ruger, bro. Like, honestly, look at the energy that he's entering now, like,
I'm a fucking baller. No man can touch shit to me.
Still have man now.
I'm your dad, I'm your uncle, I'm your popsy. I be old man, no go.
Listen, it says it's your dad, it's your uncle, it's your popsy. Are you mad? Listen now, he's talking his shit. Ruger, talk your shit, my guy. Hey.
I smile laba, just go. My own boy, don't show.
Yo! Where's that from? That's South Sultan. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's a nice. Oh no, that was a nice. No. I feel that. I feel that. That was a nice homage to the late South Sultan, man, bro. That was dope. That was a dope line. Where's that song from? Don't go. Motherland. Motherland is the song. That run that he did right there. Let me calm down because I'm charged up. 2 lines rather. Were from South Sultan's Motherland. And it was a nice nod to him, man. Nice nod.
You're serious, babe, they worry my phone. You done this up for back, you don't know. Every day we dey run among code. Supposed to know how the thing go. Thank God, said the maga don't pay out.
Sorry. I'm still not over the eloquence of the guitar riff on this record. I'm still not over it. It's too strong. It's too compelling. Cook's beats the fucking like how they made that. No, Cook's beat is. Yeah, man, these two need to stick. Tie them at their waist, man. These two needs to stick together, bro. Look at what happened when he stepped out. Anyway,
I'm on a different steez. Singlet belt and ripped out jeans. Make nobody try stress me. I know be JJC. I don't know if you get it. On the top rating, affiliate with the best team. You want race me, we know they do the same thing. No, they look for us, we know they us. No, they see the mullah, we don't spray out. Thank God, said the maga don't pay out.
Oh no, I wanted to hear the beat right out. But that was everything, man. Oh man, what a way to end the live stream, bro. That's the hardest record I've heard tonight. Easily the hardest record, man. What can I say? I think I've said most of the things. The level of confidence on this record, the ingenuity of his pen, like it's just crazy, man. Everything to convey confidence that I'm that guy. He knows how to do that on his verses. He's virtually a rapper at this point. Like, he was creative with the writing, man. And, man, this is what I said. I'm ahead of them. ASIWAJU. It's fucking brilliant, too, because election season is coming up. I already know now. Yes, so strategic. His head is there. But I'm ahead of them. ASIWAJU. Like, come on, man. And also, I'm a fucking baller. Igalo Nimi. I mean, this Lamba now. Let's listen. Come on, just listen. Could you listen? Just listen. But anyway, man, fucking incredible what Ruger is doing on this record. Absolutely compelling. From start to finish, man. Especially those vocal. I said the guitar runs, the guitar riff in the beginning. Simple and so like punching in your face, right? And then you get the bass line the bass is just hitting you, and then Ruger starts to do his thing, and then we get the most confident booster you've ever heard in a minute, and it's just crazy, man. And this was evident to, because there was some level of like, all right, maybe the beat should do something. When I was listening to the other song, Red Flags, it's a fantastic record, don't get me wrong. But Cook's beats obviously evidently showed that, to me, like when it comes to Rugers, obviously they've made hits together. They've made freaking projects together. So obviously they have more of a rapport as opposed to TSB. On this record, you can see how dynamic he was able to make the production fit so well and let Rugers obviously attitude and obviously the lyrical elements to him, he let all those things shine on his production here. It was really evident for it, with the little jump and skips that you hear of like a Pharrell in the beginning, and that was pretty cool as well. And you could even hear moments like that, breaks and transitions that really got the record flowing. But that was fantastic, man. ASIWAJU is definitely one of the hardest records I've heard tonight. And that's saying a lot, because we had a lot of good music tonight. We got a lot of good music tonight.